Meet Sulley, a friendly and fuzzy monster. He lives in the Monsters Incorporated factory, but he loves to cuddle up with children at night. One night, Sulley heard a soft whimper coming from a little girl's room. He sneaked out of his own room, determined to help. He reached the little girl's room and found her crying. She was scared, but Sulley's warm smile instantly comforted her. "Hi there, little one," Sulley said. "I'm Sulley. I came to help you feel better." The little girl looked up at Sulley, her eyes wide with surprise. "Are you a real monster?" she asked. Sulley chuckled. "Yes, I am. But don't worry, I'm here to help you. Have you had a bad dream?" The little girl nodded and told Sulley about her nightmare. Sulley listened attentively, his big, soft eyes full of empathy. "I had a bad dream about monsters," she said, sniffling. "I was scared they were going to get me." Sulley shook his head. "Monsters like me don't hurt children. In fact, we're friends. I even work at Monsters Incorporated to make children laugh, not scare them." The little girl looked at Sulley with newfound trust. "You're not like the other monsters?" she asked. "No, I'm not," Sulley reassured her. "I'm a friendly monster who just wants to help you feel better." Sulley then spent the night talking and laughing with the little girl, chasing away her fears with his warm presence and friendly demeanor. The next morning, the little girl woke up with a smile, feeling much better. She thanked Sulley for his help and promised to remember that not all monsters are scary. Sulley waved goodbye and returned to his own room, happy to have helped. He looked out at the world and thought, maybe I can make a difference, one child at a time. From that day forward, Sulley made it his mission to comfort children who were scared, showing them that monsters can be friends too. And as he closed his eyes to sleep that night, he smiled, knowing he had made a difference in someone's life.